Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Where Are You Maria. We are in the middle of the, what do you call this?
Riley dump.
Right here,
Riley dump site.
Dump site. We came to we trimmed some trees, so we have twigs, and this is what you have to go through here in Canada. You cannot just throw your garbage anywhere. It has a special destination, and this is where we are, in the Riley dump site. Huh?
Yep, got it.
And every single place here has a different items, designated for different stuff. So you cannot be throwing plastic on one side, or trees on one side, and electronics on one side. So you know, okay? I will keep you posted. Thank you for joining us here. This is a different experience for us. True?
That's for sure. Where do I go from here? This is the Black Ford.
Come over here by that green box that you followed all the way down. You go between those two trucks in there in front of you.
Okay.
So they give us the hard hats and high vis
safety
vest, and you cannot just be without them up here, because according to them it's dangerous. So hopefully we'll survive this. Now we are reversing into the site. My husband is going out to see what is going on, how we're going to do this. And oh my god, my chihuahua's here, and he is a little bit scared. So my baby, you're scared? Yeah. Oh, he's scared. He don't like loud noises. Yeah, come up here, my amor. Come up here. Come. Wow, there you go. See? What is that, my amor? This is the garbage.
Is this good here? You want me to go a little more back?
Probably come a little bit more back, I'll tell you when.
Okay.
Just give him some room there, Nicholas. He's got a hand bomb.
Go.
There is it.
Okay, thank you. Here is Where You Maria. Getting ready. Ready for some work in the Riley garbage dump. And me too. I'm ready also.
So he's fighting how to put on his
I can never get these damn things on.
wait, it's not like that. It's here.
Oh, there it is.
And then the other one.
You just said fell off too?
Yeah. It's like this. And then this. Wait. And then you can.
No, I can't close these. I'm too big.
Alright.
Just like that.
It's good like that?
Yeah, just like that.
Okay, there you go.
We are ready. Let me get my gloves.
Yeah. This is the first time. It's a big experience. Put on your mask because there's a lot of dust. So this is the dump here. As you can see, lots of stuff here. And we're going to open here and throw the stuff here. Okay, so you guys know. I hope there's no nails on the floor here. This is cool. Oh my god. I like this. It's always something different. And this is the stuff we have. This is the twigs that we trim some trees of some fruit trees. I think it's Saskatoon. What's the name?
Saskatoon berries.
Saskatoon berries.
I have loud because loud.
Saskatoon berries. So I hope you guys can hear. And we're going to start throwing it back there, okay?
Better go on the safer side. See, that truck has a pushing system, so the truck is really long. It's like a 50-footer, and then they just push everything out. I was wondering how they were gonna unload that. That is pretty cool. What a great invention. Well, we got it all unloaded. Where are you, Maria? Is giving it a little sweep. And then we're good to go.
This is a different experience.
That's for sure, yeah. The hard hat suits you. That truck had a giant load in it. Yep.
Except it's hot.
That is warm today.
Yeah.
And this is the Riley dump. It's huge. Giant place. They have seagulls here. Even though we are hundreds of miles. No, we're probably 1,000 miles or more away from the ocean, and they have seagulls. Very strange. Where are Maria? Hard at work? Where are you, Maria?
At Riley dump.
At
or
the
site or whatever.
At the Riley dump. Yeah, Riley dump site.
Dump site. This is good exercise.
Very good workout.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Who
Let me go on
needs
this.
aerobics with
Let me
this?
go on this side to get the sun. You look at the truck there, they have some kind of pusher system. Pushes everything out. Pretty neat how that works. We did it manual. What we did is what they call hand bombing. We hand bombed everything.
Really?
Yeah, it's hand bombing. Yeah, when you do it by hand, throw it out.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
I like it. It's fun. It's
Yeah.
good exercise. Except I'm gonna take off this right now because it's too,
Yeah, it's warm.
yeah,
It's a warm day today.
Yeah.
It's at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, let me put this stuff back in. Here you go. I close that side door.
Okay, guys. So you see now how hard we work. Nothing is easy in this life. You have to work to have something and to make something. And I think we're doing a great job. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Hasta luego. Bye bye.
Bye bye.